Magnetism measurement. Magnetometer. Install the super sensor, which is used to measure the magnetism of the ground. And then install the headphones into its jack in the device. Turn the device on. The language selection screen appears, and the search system selection screen appears. We select the magnetic measurement system, magnetometer, by pressing Enter button. Upon entry, the device will be automatically referred to Mag1 system and can be moved to Mag2 by pressing the magnetometer button once on the right side of the control panel. Before the start of search, you must reset the device, and this is done by long pressing on the magnetometer button. Also, the device must be positioned vertically toward the ground. Of course, this process must also take place in an area free of minerals. To make sure the work is correct, press the reset button more than once. Until the device is idle and does not give any signals or vibrations, and the indicator is at its lowest level, then you can start checking the area that you want. As we pass over spaces or metals, the signal level on the screen will increase. And you will also hear an increase in the sound vibrations directly. In this system, if you hold the device diagonally and do not make the super sensor perpendicular to the ground, we can therefore get the wrong result. Therefore, the super sensor must be perpendicular to the ground. You can increase and decrease magnetic sensitivity according to terrain conditions using left and right arrows buttons. You can also control the headphones volume using a button on the headphones cable. Target indicator. The targets are indicated by the direction of the signal lines to the top. If the signal is weak, this means that the target is either small or far from the ground surface. If the signal is strong, it means that the target is very close to the ground surface or that is deep but large in size. Note: always check the accuracy of the target after a signal appears on the screen. You must reset the device outside the target location by pressing the button at the far right of the control panel. If the same signal repeated, this means that the target is 100% real. To turn off the device, press the on-off button in the control panel.